COP28 concluded recently, culminating in a historic accord embraced by 198 parties, ushering in a new era of climate action. The parties have officially endorsed a groundbreaking document named UAE Consensus, outlining an ambitious climate agenda maintaining feasibility of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. COP28 President Dr. Sultan Al Jaber expressed, "We have worked very hard to secure a better future for our people and our planet. We should be proud of our historic achievement." Dr. Al Jaber emphasized the unique approach of COP28, bringing together diverse stakeholders, private and public entities, civil societies, faith leaders, youth, and indigenous people. The plan tackles emission, bridges the gap on adaptation, reimagines global finance, and delivers on loss and damage. Key commitments outlined in the final negotiated text include an unprecedented commitment to transitioning away from all fossil fuels, aiming for global net zero emissions by 2050. Advancements in expectation for next set of national determined contribution, emphasizing economy-wide emission reducing targets. Forward momentum for the reform of financial architecture, acknowledging the role of credit rating agencies and calling for an increase in concessional and grant finance. A specific new target to triple renewable and double energy efficiency by 2030. Recognition of imperative to significant upscale adaptation, finance beyond the current doubling to address urgent and evolving needs.